So, what I'm doing here is I'm making two trucks become one. And so this line here, let's see here, this line here, so this is what it's going to look like as it's finished. Then we get the plate in, I just got to finish welding that in. And then this corner of this truck is almost done. Got one more plate to cut in up there. And one on the inside here. I don't know how well we're going to see this. Probably not very good. Anyway. So anyway, yeah, this is the 1970 Ford truck that's getting an updated life. It's getting a 1-ton frame and axles and a big block, and the goal is to run that big block on hydrogen. And because who wants to pay $3 a gallon? And they've got hydrogen vehicles out there, and hydrogen is a combustible fuel, just like gasoline or diesel. And so a lot of these engines can run alternative fuels. I mean, even when I was in the Air Force, we had vehicles running on propane, and it was you could either flip it to run on propane or you could flip it to run on gasoline. So I don't know, like this old truck here, I've got collector vehicle plates on it, so I never have to even register it anymore. I paid like $60 or $65 several years ago to get plates on this truck, and because I only occasionally drive it, yeah, it's the only plates that you have to have. And actually, you don't even have to have plates, right? Because you should be able to travel from here to there on public rights of way without having to have permission, right? Because rights don't require permission. Permit, shun. It's even in the words, right? So there we go.